Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the flight test of the CUAV X25 and Skydroid G20. The CUAV X25 EVO Controller is fully upgraded to a 10V 18V high-voltage power supply, significantly improving power supply efficiency. The baseboard has a built-in 5V15A DC-DC high-power converter, and the external interface supports 5V12A output, empowering heavy-load devices. The Skydroid G20 Remote Controller is equipped with Qualcomm's latest 6nm processor and the Android 13 system, enabling smooth hardware decoding of H264, H265 and 4K video streams, and ensuring stable operation of various ground station software. The products used in this flight test include CUAV NEO4 SE GPS, CUAV X25 EVO Flight Controller, and the Skydroid G20 Remote Controller. Flight preparation. Power on the drone, but do not install the propellers yet. Open the QGC ground station on the remote controller, arm the motors first, and check whether each motor's rotation direction is correct. After confirming everything is correct, install the propellers. Once all preparations are complete, the aircraft is ready for takeoff. The X25 EVO is a newly launched high-performance industrial-grade intelligent controller by CUAV. Compared with traditional intelligent controllers, the X25 EVO offers breakthrough upgrades and optimizations in the power supply rail, sensors, damping system, temperature compensation system, hardware reliability, and device compatibility. It dramatically improves performance and stability in complex environments and meets the needs of various unmanned system applications. The X25 EVO features extensive optimizations and innovations for professional and large-scale industrial unmanned systems and is fully compatible with ArduPilot PX4 firmware. It can be widely used in multi-rotors, helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, V2L fixed-wing aircraft, unmanned vehicles, unmanned boats, unmanned submersibles, and other unmanned systems. The CUAV X25 EVO adopts a revolutionary 10V, 18V wide-range power supply architecture. It features a new industrial-grade IMU sensor matrix, 3 IMUs, 2 barometers, and an industrial-grade electronic compass, equipped with carefully selected TDK industrial-grade sensors offering high precision, high vibration resistance, wide measurement range, low noise, and minimal temperature drift. The IIM series sensors are paired with a high-precision constant temperature active external clock to reduce ODR error. Dual temperature compensation systems redefine the accuracy standard of sensor performance. Powered by a high-performance H7 processor, the system integrates the 4th-generation symmetrical tilt damping matrix with an external fixed-ear damping system. CAN bus plus 100 megabits per second Ethernet support ESC motor telemetry. Comes standard with the PMU2 Lite high voltage and high current power detection module. Supports 3.3 V5V PWM level switching. We can see that even with large stick inputs, the aircraft still maintains excellent stability. Skydroid's unique digital image and control link technology enables the G20 to achieve up to 30 kilometers of image transmission and remote control distance. The G20 supports 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz dual-band operation, automatically switching based on flight environment and requirements to ensure signal stability and transmission efficiency, further enhancing anti-interference capability. The Skydroid G20 and CUAV X25 EVO flight controller work perfectly together, delivering an excellent flight experience. This concludes the flight test of the CUAV X25 EVO with the Skydroid G20. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will bring more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.